Miss Jennifer, preschool specialist with the Bloomington Parks and Recreation Department's Banneker Community Center. On Thursdays, I'm sharing fun snacks you can make with your kids. Today I'm going to make some wraps with a couple of fun fillings, one savory and one sweet. You can follow the link in the description to see even more varieties or make up some interesting ones of your own. Thanks for joining me today. Check back tomorrow for a Physical Friday activity. Bye, friends.